called the internet company, and I'm on hold, and this is what I'm hearing. Sorry, I had to go ask my son to be quiet so you guys could hear this perfectly. Sounds like a mix between some kind of robot and a person breathing. I'm holding it really close to the camera so you guys can hear it. And I have it on speaker, as you can see. Looks like I have a call waiting, so we'll wait for that to stop. Sorry, sis, you'll have to hold on. I was trying to record something. Well, I ended the call with my sister, but it seems like we're back to regular music at Suddenlink again, instead of the weird music. I'm just checking what the screen said. I was waiting because last time it went back to regular music and then it switched back to that weird stuff again, so I was going to see if it was going to do it again.
We appreciate your continued patience. Please be assured we will answer your call as quickly as possible.
Uh-oh, my screen went black. That weird breathing effect is not me. That's actually coming over the phone, along with those weird robot sounds. See? Okay, and also just to show you there's nobody else in the room anywhere close to me making those weird sounds. You can see that TV's not playing, nothing. So, can somebody tell me what that is? Is this some kind of a preview to a movie that they're not telling us the name of? New Transformers movie with weird breathing going on? What? Oh, we're back to music now. Okay. Well, I think you guys get the picture. I don't know, I'm just going to sit here and hold anyway because my internet is out currently. I might be able to see why. They're apparently having some weird issues. I don't know. But I do need to get a hold of them, so I guess I'll sit here online and I might as well record it to see how long that weird stuff continues. Why not, right? Maybe I can put it where I can set the phone down and you guys can still hear it well. I guess that's not going to be where you can see it. Alright, I guess I'll just have to keep holding it.
We appreciate your continued patience. Please be assured we will answer your call as quickly as possible.
I give a call and said,